Hi and welcome back to my channel. Fantastic day in the markets today. Indices were up nearly 2%, and financials have made a strong comeback. I don't know if the FIIs and the retail investors or DIIs were waiting for the year to turn to 2025 because last quarter of 24 तो बहुत खराब था, 10% down थे almost market. But आज के रैली के बाद almost 2% in 2 days, which is almost the return of 2 months. So आगे momentum continue रहेगा या we'll see some profit booking, ये देखना पड़ेगा. So we'll see how tomorrow and next week progresses. But for today let's dive in. So जैसे मैंने कहा, निफ्टी और सेंसेक्स ऑलमोस्ट दोनों up 2%, निफ्टी 500 भी up, निफ्टी बैंक और निफ्टी IT, which I think will lead the next run if it goes up, will showing 2.26% or better than the Nifty 50 and Sensex, right? तो आइडियली ये लेवल तोड़ना चाहिए और उसके बाद मार्केट्स थोड़ा सुधरेगा, बट फॉर द टाइम बिंग लेट्स बी हैप्पी विथ व्हाट वी गॉट टुडे. सो FIIs selling, being absorbed by DIIs as usual, और एडवांस डिक्लाइन तो आज सुपर 48 एडवांसेस टू 2 डिक्लाइंस. और यहाँ पे एक चीज़ मैं पॉइंट आउट करने वाला हूँ, जो गेनर्स है उसमें आप देखोगे सब फाइनेंशियल कंपनीज है. तो सुंदरम फाइनेंस, बजाज फिनसर्व, चोला इन्वेस्टमेंट, क्रेडिट एक्सिस ग्रामीण जो कि बहुत पिट चुका था, बजाज फाइनेंस, इंडिया बुल्स हाउसिंग फाइनेंस, और फाइनेंशियल कंपनीज सब भारी मात्रा में बाइंग आई है. आई डोंट नो ओवरनाइट उनका बैड लोन्स ख़राब हो गया है या द वर्स्ट इज़ बिहाइंड अस, बट वील कम टू नो सून. आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट द रिजल्ट्स टू बी गुड दिस टाइम, बट मे बी द फ्यूचर इज़ बेटर, बट वील कम टू नो when the companies start declaring results, especially starting next week with the IT companies. Tata Elxsi will be the first big one. Or my favorite, Muthoot Finance, up again today, and my daughter has M&M, or she bought M&M, which hit a new high today. So good day for her as well, although she doesn't know about it. Anyways, so Muthoot Finance, still my favorite. I'm still holding on to it. The trade, I have bought it around 2154 levels, as you can see over here. A little before as well, on 19 December को भी लिया था, but it was around 2140 levels at that day. So close by 2140 2150 के बीच में लिया, और अब 2250 हो गया. So 100 rupees up, or around 4-5% up in a span of less than 1 month, which I think is good, but I'll see how far it can go. Because it was leading the rally even before the rally started. So the logic I saw here was, or I was trying to see what happened, is यहाँ पे गिरते जा रहा था जब, तो ये दिन है जहाँ पे 222,000 shares trade हुए, which was the lowest in the last 4-5 days, but the price did not go down further. In fact, it went up. Next दिन भी all the volumes were higher than the previous day, but price break नहीं हुआ, and then one way up 4 days तक गया है. So this is a good way to see कि volumes एकदम कम हो गए, और फिर भी या पूरी सेलिंग शायद ख़त्म हो गई है, इसलिए अब प्राइस और गिर नहीं रहा है, और फिर वापस नेक्स्ट डे पे भी वॉल्यूम्स ज़्यादा होने पर भी प्राइस held the low of the previous day, and then it went up, and it continues to go up. So I'm expecting some profit booking here now, and it might drop till to 2154 level. So I'll see. I think maybe put a stop loss over here so that 2154 जाएगा, तो at least मेरा purchase price तो रहे, and I'm not in a profit or loss. But yeah, let's see how that progresses. So yeah, this is my favorite, but the other finance stocks are also starting doing well. नियर 52 वीक हाई मैंने लिस्ट देखा नहीं आज इतना, क्योंकि यही बहुत अच्छा चल रहा था. बट आई थिंक देयर आर सम फार्मा नेम्स ऑल्सो डूइंग वेल, लूपिन, इप्का लैब्स, अबॉट इंडिया, and first source from the IT. So IT, pharma, banking, all doing good. So let's see if this rally continues, or is it just buying in desperation for one day, and we'll see how that progresses. So आज के लिए इतना ही. If you have any questions, do let me know, and if you want me to cover any stocks, please put it in the comments below. If you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.